Hi guys, in this video we will see how to check spelling and grammar in your Google Docs. If you want to use Google Docs and want to check spelling and grammar, then here are the process. Launch Google Docs first. Launch your Chrome browser and open Google Docs. Here go to your page or create a blank document. Here type any content, for example how to check spelling and grammar in Google Docs. You can see incorrect grammar automatically corrected. So first type any incorrect spelling and we will see how to check spelling and grammar. Select the word and go to tools option and make sure that spelling and grammar both show spelling suggestion and show grammar suggestion, both options should be enabled. So make the check against both the options and thereafter apply this. There is a small icon on your top menu bar, a sign, spelling and grammar check, Control plus Alt plus X. You can also use shortcut key and check grammar, either choose accept or ignore, and you can see your spelling and grammar easily corrected your docs. Simply select it and go to top menu bar and choose this icon, a symbol, and either choose ignore or accept, and you can easily check spelling and grammar in your Google